All right, so some more inequalities today. Today is the last day, but they're more complex than we've seen before. So let's start with problem 1. The problem reads 6 plus p divided by 3 is less than or equal to 5. All right, so again, still same process. We're looking at the variable, looking what's happening to the variable. We're trying to isolate the variable, put it by itself, right? So, so we've got a statement down here that reads like p is greater than or less than some number, and it makes it really easy to graph. Okay, so we're going to look at what's happening to the variable. We're going to do the opposite of what it is to take it away. All right, so following our order of SADMET, I'm going to get rid of the addition first before I get rid of that division. Right? We see how we have a 6 plus p divided by 3. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Okay, these cross each other out. And then p divided by 3 moves down here. Again, we're just subtracting, so we're not going to change what direction that sign's going. That doesn't affect it. And then we'll say 5 minus 6 is negative 1. All right, then we're still going to look at the variable, look at what's happening to it. It's being divided by 3. So we're going to do the opposite of it to get rid of it. The opposite of dividing by 3 is multiplying by 3. So we're going to say 3 times p divided by 3 and negative 1 times 3. Now, if we were multiplying or dividing by a negative number, this would flip our middle sign, but it's not negative, so it will stay the same. Okay, so 3's cross out here. P moves down. And then, again, we're keeping our same sign. And then we've got negative 1 times 3, which is equal to negative 3. So now we've got our statement reading p is less than or equal to negative 3, which I'm going to graph up here. So we're going to put the dot on the negative 3. And it is or equal to, so we will color that in so it's an actual dot, and it is less than that thing. So we're going to shade this section of our number line. All right. Now, moving on to that second one, actually, for this one, I'm going to use problem number 6 for this one. All right. So I want you guys to turn to problem number 6. And that one reads 4b plus 2 is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, again, very similar to an equation. I noticed that we've got some addition happening to the variable right here, so I'm going to get rid of that first by subtracting that 2 from both sides. These cross out. This moves down here. I've got a statement that says 4b is greater than or equal to 16. Moving down here. Then the b is being multiplied by 4, so I'm going to divide it by 4, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side to keep it balanced. So I'm left with a statement that says b is greater than or equal to 16 divided by 4, which is also 4. And so there's my new inequality. And then I'm going to graph it up here. So b is greater than or equal to 4. So I'm going to try dot on 4. And I'm going to shade it in because it is or equal to. And then b is everything that is larger than it. So I'm going to shade all this stuff over here. All right. So that was problems number 1 and number 6. Hopefully that helps you guys. Make sure to email me with any with any questions that you might have. All right. Those of you that are following me on YouTube, thanks for that. I want you guys to just drop a comment in there and tell me how your week's been. Tell me something fun that you did this week. All right. I miss you guys, and hopefully we'll be able to communicate in some way soon. So I'll see you guys next week.